Hello students, hope you all are well and studying at home. For helping you, I am sending you one video of factorization. This is chapter number 4. I am taking the first method of factorization. Factorization by taking out common factors. See here. I am taking 24x cube minus 32x square. Factorization by taking common factors means this is the basic of factorizations. First, we have to see what is common in whole expression. Here you have two terms, 24x cube minus 32x square. There is 8x square is common in both the terms. We will take it out. This 8x square will divide both the terms. This is 3x minus 4. These are two factors now. See next. I am giving one more example. Here 3x into y minus 2x plus 5a into y minus 2x. Here you can see you have two terms again, and y minus 2x is common in both the terms. So we will take out y minus 2x. What will left here? We will use bracket. This has come out and this is 3x plus here is a 5a. This expression is now changed into two factors. Now I am taking you in your exercise. Exercise 4.1. See the first one question. First part. Question is 8x cube 8xy cube plus 12x square y square. See what is common in both the terms. Here are constant. You will see the constant 8 and 12. And SCF of 8, 12 is 4. So 4 is common. And variables x, y cube, x square, x here, xy are here, xy are here. So lowest power is come out. Lowest power is x and here lowest power is y square. We will divide it. 4 2 is 8. X y square divides y cube. This is a y plus 4 3 is 12. X divides x square is x. Y square divides y square is complete. So these are the factors. See one more question. I am taking sixth question. Solution 6. First part. Question is 8 p square q square minus 24 p q square plus 30 p square q. Here we have three terms. We see what is common in all three terms. Here again the constant 18, 24 and 30. 18, 24, 30. What will be their ratio? Highest common factor. What is the greatest number that can divide these three numbers? Obviously that is a 6. So 6 is common. And again you see the variables PQ, PQ, PQ in each term. See what is the lowest power of P. Lowest power of P is P itself. Here is P, here is P, here is P, P square, P, P square. So P is the lowest power. Again we see Q square, Q square, Q. Q is the lowest. Then it will divide. 6 3 is 18. P divides P square is P. Q divides Q square is Q. Minus 6 4 is 24. P divides P cancel. Q divides Q square is Q. Plus 6 5 is 30. 5 times. P divides P square is P. Q divides Q is cancelled. So these are the factors. Similarly, I am taking one more question for you. Solution number 9th, second part. Question is x into x square plus y square minus z square plus y into minus x square minus y square plus z square. Minus z into x square plus y square minus z square. Here is a little bit creative question. You have to use your mind. See here, in the first term, in a bracket, x square plus y square minus z square. And in the third term, again you see in the bracket, x square plus y square minus z square, both are same. But in the second term, minus x square minus y square plus z square. The sign of x square, y square are different and z square different. We use your mind. If you will take out common from the second term, minus c x square y square minus z square, we will take out common minus. So it will change, it will become plus x square plus y square minus z square minus z into x square plus y square minus z square. Now see, x square plus y square minus z square, x square plus y square minus z square, x square plus y square minus z square is common in both of all the three terms. So we will take out common. X square plus y square minus z square. Here will remain x minus y minus z. These are two factors of this given expression. So I hope you had understand factorization. The first topic, factorization by taking out common factors. So thank you.